Hello dear friends of the folded sheet, I'm Tevin from Tevin's Origami Instructions, and today I'll show you how to do the Waterbomb base. For this we use a square sheet of paper. I have dual colored paper that will make it easier to see what's front and back, and I want to make a pink Waterbomb base, so I need to turn it around first. I fold both diagonals. And open it up again and turn. We always fold away from ourselves so we can see the crease and make it as precise as possible. Now we have what we call in origami language mountain folds. This is a mountain and this is a mountain. We want a valley fold here. So I take the paper and fold it corner to corner and edge to edge like this. Now we have all the creases we need for our Waterbomb base. I turn it around and press into the center. The tension of the paper already makes it in this weird shape. What we do now is we bring this point here and this point down here also, like this. The only thing left to do now is to press from the top and flatten it. This is what we call a Waterbomb base. Sometimes people also do the diagonal, the halfway fold in this direction. They push into the center and bring it together like this. So this is also called a Waterbomb base. And if you look closely and think about it a little bit, you will see that this is also a preliminary base. If you push it into the center once again, you open it up and push the other way around, so it's flipped basically. You can bring all those corners here together and take two of the flaps each, and now you have a preliminary base. Both of those bases are basically like the inside and outside of a shape. I hope this was useful for you, and if you want to know how to fold the Waterbomb that gave this base its name, click on the annotation. See you next time. Bye bye.